Did you know your brain physically cannot focus on winning an argument and feeling connected to someone at the same time? These two goals use different systems in the brain. And the moment you shift into "I need to be right" mode, the part of you that wants to actually be understood goes quiet. Here is what makes this painful. Most arguments are not really about facts. They are about someone feeling unseen, unheard, like they do not matter. But instead of saying that, people build a case. They find evidence. They win. And winning feels like progress. So they do it again and again. But something slow happens underneath all of it. The other person stops trying to reach them, not dramatically, just quietly, gradually, the way a fire runs out of air. The people who are best at arguing are often the hardest people to truly know. Every victory teaches them the wrong lesson. So here is the question. When was the last time you chose to be understood instead of right? What's your answer? Write it in the comments below. Follow for more psychology questions that make you think.